today I will guide you how to log into Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank ADCB's online banking account. For that, you need to open the Play Store, and on the Play Store you can easily search for ADCB mobile app, and here you will get the application. You just need to first install and open the app. When you open, you'll reach the welcome screen of ADCB applications, and here you need to select your preferred language on the first page. Once you have done that, so here it is given, it is important that you understand what information the app collects and how it is used. Here are all the information given. If you have gone through all this, let's tap on yes, I understand. Now after that, you need to tap on start, and here you need to enter your card number, that is your credit or the debit card number. Once you have entered your card number, you can tap on next button, and after you have done that, you can easily enter your password and log into your ADCB online banking account. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.